For the past 6 years, Chude Nnamdi has made a name for himself on social media by commenting on national issues such as police brutality. Nnamdi has more than 260,000 followers on X, formerly known as Twitter.
I participated, we planned, we did a whole lot of things, and after that, I got my connection enlarged. I got a whole lot of other, I got to know a whole lot of other social media activists.
But as his fame on social media grew, so did the challenges. In March, Nnamdi was arrested by Nigeria's Department of State Services, or DSS, for his post about an influential businessman. Authorities accused Nnamdi of cyberbullying, defamation, and criminal intimidation. He had been held without charge for a week until activists protested and he was freed pending trial. Nnamdi says these days he feels in danger wherever he goes.
Aside my arrest by the police and the DSS, I've had so many challenges, threats to me, to my family. I don't just go to places because I know that I have so many enemies. When I mean serious enemies, there are people that will see me here today, they would like to kill me.
Nigerians are heavy users of social media, and they often take to digital platforms to criticize government policies and demand better governance. But Nigerian authorities argue that unregulated social media use has too often resulted in problems, including threats to security. This month, authorities introduced a bill that will give the National Broadcasting Commission rights to control social media platforms. Activists say it is an attempt to stifle free speech. Kolawole Oluwadare is a deputy director at Nigeria's Socio-Economic Rights Accountability Project, or SERAP.
That is basically the reason, the underpinning of the various steps that are taken by various administrations, including the ones preceding this one, to regulate social media. And the fears and the concerns are public, that although the law may look well-meaning, the law may even be justified, but the use of those laws has been found with other legislations, including the Cybercrime Act, shows the propensity of the Nigerian authorities to use law, called well-meaning laws, as it were, to clamp down on human rights.
SERAP has petitioned the Nigerian government to drop the bill. In 2019, Nigeria shelved a bill to regulate social media after it led to street protests. But some citizens like Abuja resident Gift Mweze say the government may have a point.
Nigerians they don't really know how to process information. So when they get these details, they go about social media saying and exaggerating the situation, thinking that maybe other countries have different story about the same situation. So if we are able to regulate what goes into the social media about this country, it's going to go a long way.
The bill has been read in Parliament but will need a public hearing and the President's approval before it becomes law. Timothy Obiezu, VOANews, Abuja, Nigeria.